Hey, good afternoon here. Woody with GMR Roofs and Construction. We're out here in front of the Sarasota Sailing Squadron, and you can see over my shoulders we've got the bottom half of this decked. The upper part all blew off along with the rafters during the hurricanes a couple of years ago. Blew off the metal roof, took the rafters with it. So we're here down the road. We're putting in some new rafters in there, 2x12 PT, bird mouthing both the bottom and the top to make a nice tight fit. And then what we'll do is we're going to take a MST, Simpson Strong Tighten Strap, go up and over the truss, up and over the rafter, and re-nail all that with a current code. Even though it's just a storage structure, we want to be able to put it on to where the rafters don't blow off like they did last time. So right now we're doing the framing, doing the sheathing, redoing all the rafter works, restrapping it all, putting them in with positive placement nails, and then probably by the end of the week we'll get the metal delivered and be back out here to put on a nice PBR metal roof on this Sarasota Sailing Squadron. So for all of your construction and roofing needs, find us, like us, and follow us. And hey, you got a beautiful view like this, even though it's a 120-degree heat index. I really want to jump in the water, but I can't. We got to keep on going to the next project. So thank you. Find us, follow us, and like us. Have a great, blessed day.